Our journey begins with the finest raw materials, carefully selected and precisely sorted. Quality starts at the very first touch.
Vibrant fabrics, destined to become beloved plush companions, travel through our advanced logistics systems. Precision in every movement.
Every material undergoes rigorous testing in our state-of-the-art labs, ensuring unparalleled safety and durability.
Our components, meticulously pre-processed and organized, await their transformation. This is where efficiency meets the art of toy making.
Remote seamless network tuning to the H1X and flawless bung syrup light and
Here, molten plastic transforms under immense pressure, giving birth to the foundational shapes of our toys.
From solid to liquid, our plastics are meticulously melted and mixed, preparing for their vibrant
Molds are meticulously preheated to exact temperatures, ensuring perfect formation for every single toy part. Precision is paramount. Freshly molded, these vibrant components begin their cooling journey, prepared for the next exciting stages of assembly.
Expert hands carefully extract each component, ensuring perfection from the mold. It's a blend of human touch and technological precision.
Every component undergoes a thorough, automated cleaning and drying, ensuring pristine condition for assembly. Purity is paramount.
Through our rapid cooling tunnels, components quickly solidify, preserving their perfect form and vibrant colors. Efficiency perfected, naturally.
Every component undergoes a meticulous, automated scan, detecting even the slightest imperfection. Only perfection proceeds to the next stage.
Even waste finds new life here. Our advanced shredders recycle plastic, upholding our commitment to a sustainable future. Robotic precision ensures every component is perfectly placed on our specialized assembly jigs. Flawless alignment every single time.
Even with advanced automation, the human touch remains irreplaceable for our final quality checks. Dedication in every detail. Every mold is meticulously cleaned and prepared, ready to shape the next generation of toys. Attention to detail ensures perfection.
Before a single piece is molded, our designers breathe life into ideas, sketching the future of play. Creativity takes center stage.
From concept to tangible form, our engineers rapidly prototype designs, bringing ideas to life with cutting-edge 3D printers.
Freshly molded, these vibrant components begin their cooling journey, prepared for the next exciting stages of assembly.
Color palettes and material textures are meticulously chosen, defining the look and feel of every new toy. It's where artistry truly begins.
Precision laser cutters sculpt fabric with incredible accuracy, transforming rolls of material into the intricate shapes of plush toys.
Through ultrasonic welding, components are seamlessly joined, creating a bond that is both strong and invisible. Engineering at its finest.
Robotic precision applies vibrant, child-safe paints, bringing each toy to life with flawless color and finish. Artistry meets automation.
Here, skilled hands meticulously assemble the smallest components, transforming individual pieces into intricate toys. Precision is in every touch.
Robotic artistry applies intricate decals and details, bringing each toy's character to life with flawless precision. Every detail matters.
Our skilled artisans lovingly hand stuff each plush toy, ensuring every huggable friend is perfectly soft and...
Automated sewing machines meticulously close each seam, creating durable, beautifully finished plush toys.
Lasers precisely engrave intricate patterns onto our wooden toys, creating beautiful, lasting designs.
Robotic precision gives each plush toy its unique personality, meticulously placing eyes and features.
Through our specialized drying tunnels, each toy part is perfectly prepared, ensuring a durable and flawless finish, ready for the next stage.
Every component undergoes rigorous stress testing, guaranteeing exceptional durability and safety for endless playtime. Built to last, built to play.
Finished components are precisely sorted by advanced robotics, ensuring perfect organization for final assembly. Every piece in its place. Subcomponents, precisely pre-assembled and stored, await their final integration. A symphony of parts, ready to become whole.
Robotic arms meticulously snap structural elements into place, forming the robust foundation of each toy. Strength and precision, built to last.
Here, skilled artisans bring characters to life, hand-painting intricate details with unmatched precision.
Electronic hearts are carefully integrated,
bringing sounds and lights to our toys. Precision wiring for endless interactive fun. Our toy vehicles conquer rigorous obstacle courses, proving their mobility and durability for endless adventures. Built for action.
Safety is paramount. Battery compartments are meticulously secured, ensuring every toy is safe for even the littlest hands. Peace of mind, guaranteed.
Every finished component undergoes a rigorous, multi-layered inspection, both automated and human. Only perfection makes it through.
Soft textures and delightful embellishments are carefully added, transforming plush toys into truly engaging companions.
Tiny accessories are precisely packaged by robotic arms, ensuring every detail is perfectly presented for unboxing joy. Precision in every package. Instruction manuals and exciting inserts are precisely placed, ensuring every unboxing experience is complete and delightful. Thought in every detail. Automated systems precisely seal and label each toy box, ensuring secure packaging and perfect branding, ready for its journey.
Every sealed toy box undergoes a final human quality check, guaranteeing a pristine unboxing experience.
Robotic arms meticulously stack sealed boxes onto shipping pallets, preparing them for global distribution. Precision in every shipment.
Every package is meticulously scanned, ensuring accurate tracking and timely delivery worldwide. Your toy's journey is precisely monitored. From our docks, our toys embark on their journey, loaded onto trucks destined for homes and hearts worldwide. The adventure begins. Our trucks embark, carrying joy and wonder to destinations far and wide. The journey of play has officially begun.
Inside, laughter and discovery fill the air as families find their perfect playmates. A world of wonder waiting to be explored.
The first touch, a moment of connection with a new friend. Our plush toys are crafted for comfort and endless cuddles.
The joy of giving, the thrill of receiving. Our toys are designed to create unforgettable moments of happiness. Pure magic.
Our board games bring families together, fostering laughter, strategy, and unforgettable shared moments. Play, connect, and grow.
Our science kits transform learning into an adventure, sparking curiosity and a love for discovery.
Our art kits empower children to express themselves, transforming imagination into tangible masterpieces. Our coding robots make learning STEM fun, introducing children to the exciting world of programming. Innovate, create, code.
Everything looks good. Time to take your medicine. And I made the best cookies for you.
Magnetic blocks inspire young architects and engineers to build incredible creations, fostering spatial reasoning and endless fun. Build your dreams.
Our baby dolls encourage nurturing and empathy, fostering compassion and imaginative care.
Automated precision polishes every toy component to a brilliant sheen, ensuring a flawless and luxurious finish. The touch of perfection.
Under intense magnification, every toy undergoes a meticulous surface inspection, ensuring absolute aesthetic perfection. No flaw escapes our sight.
Our artisans perform final detail refinements, ensuring every toy is a miniature masterpiece of craftsmanship.
Every toy undergoes a final functional test, ensuring all features work flawlessly. Ready to bring joy with every sound and light.
With a final seal of approval, each toy meets our uncompromising standards. Ready to bring wonder to the world, flawlessly.
Automated precision folds flat cardboard into vibrant toy boxes, creating the perfect first impression. Packaging designed for delight. Fully assembled toys are precisely inserted into their vibrant boxes, ready for their grand reveal. The final touch of perfection.
A holographic security seal confirms authenticity, ensuring every Wonderworks toy is genuine and safe. Your trust, our promise. Protective shrink wrap meticulously seals each toy box, safeguarding its journey to your home. Pristine condition, guaranteed upon arrival.
Regional labels are precisely printed and applied, ensuring every toy meets global standards and speaks to every market. Tailored for the world.
A final human inspection ensures every shrink-wrapped package is pristine, ready for its journey to delighted customers.
Automated systems ensure every pallet is safely marked,
guaranteeing secure transport and perfect delivery.
AGVs transport pallets to our loading bays, a seamless dance of automation, preparing for their journey efficiently and precisely. Every load is digitally confirmed, ensuring accurate manifests and seamless global tracking. Transparency from factory to your home.
As dawn breaks, our fleet embarks, carrying the promise of joy to children across the globe.
The moment of unveiling, as anticipation builds and new adventures await.
AGVs transport pallets to our loading bays, a seamless dance of automation, preparing for their journey efficiently and precisely. That moment of pure delight as a new friend comes to life. Our toys are designed to spark wonder and ignite imagination.
With a simple touch, our interactive toys awaken, inviting children into a world of sound, light, and... Our toys inspire imaginative play, transforming ordinary moments into extraordinary...
Our classic wooden toys ignite imaginative journeys, fostering creativity and fine motor skills.
Our building blocks empower young minds to construct vibrant worlds, fostering creativity and problem-solving skills.
Our non-toxic crayons unleash artistic potential, allowing children to create.
Our magic kits inspire confidence and wonder, transforming children into captivating performers. Unleash the magic within. And the little cow goes right here next to the sheep. Welcome home, Bessie.
Our nesting cups encourage early learning, fostering motor skills, color recognition, and endless developmental plans.
Our ride-on toys inspire active adventures, fostering physical development and endless outdoor fun.
You finished it. It looks incredible. Which one is your favorite?
The toucan.
You did such a great job putting that together.
Our magnetic letters and numbers transform learning into an engaging adventure, fostering early literacy and numeracy.
Our bath toys transform bath time into a joyful adventure, sparking imagination and endless bubbly fun. Our puppets ignite imaginative storytelling, transforming children into captivating narrators and performers.
Our Magnadoodles offer endless, mess-free artistic expression, transforming ideas into instant masterpieces. Draw, erase, create again.
Our shape sorters develop fine motor skills and problem solving, guiding young minds through engagement.
Here's your tea, Mr. Doggy. And careful, it's hot. Now, Mr. Tiger, would you like some sugar?
Our classic tops offer timeless fun, captivating children with mesmerizing spins and simple...
Here's your tea, Mr. Doggy. And careful, it's hot. Now, Mr. Tiger, would you like some sugar?
Our classic tops offer timeless fun, captivating children with mesmerizing spins and simple...
Our miniature figures inspire collecting and imaginative storytelling, creating worlds of adventure right in their room. Collect, imagine, play.
Our wooden letter blocks foster early literacy, empowering children to spell their names and discover the best. From every corner of the world, our toys bring smiles, fostering creativity, learning, and time. At Wonderworks, we don't just make toys. We craft dreams, inspire futures, and